as you can see, the screws have completely pulled out of the holes. Now I'm going to show you 3 solutions to this problem. The first one would be by using some wall plugs. There. Good solid fixing there. Now the next solution would be with just a scrap of timber. I would cut a plug shape. A little bit of PVA wood glue. That is valid. Now, if you don't have a wall plug or a piece of scrap wood, you definitely have a pencil in your house. So what I would do is get rid of the top. Okay, that's fine. I'll pare it down a bit. Offer it up to the hole. It's actually pretty good. Get a bit of glue on it.